The Ox 5 is the ultimate portable hub blind from Barronett Blinds. Its unique 5-sided design creates awesome panoramic views of your surroundings and tons of room for up to 4 hunters. Like all Barronett blinds, setup is simple. Simply pop open the roof and each side, and you're ready to hunt. The Ox 5 is covered in oxhide, Barronett's exclusive 2-layer bonded felt fabric that is unlike any other blind material on the market. The soft no-shine exterior layer features color-rich blood trail backwoods camouflage for incredible concealment. The exterior is bonded to a black, waterproof woven polyester interior layer that won't scratch, crack, or flake off. A single massive window spans 3 sides of the Ox 5, and 2 peak windows offer views behind the blind. The front window can be opened to the desired gap with easy-to-use silent slide adjustments. A camouflaged shoot-through mesh inner panel keeps hunters hidden inside. The Ox 5 stands 72 inches tall and has a footprint of over 41 square feet. The huge interior provides more room for gear and comfortable group hunting. Get all the room and features you need for your next hunt and go big with Ox 5 from Barronett Blinds.